Hello and welcome in our YouTube channel Metallurgical Facts. So this question is from welding metallurgy, and this question is very nice. In gate metallurgy, you will see that 1 or 2 marks numerical will be from welding metallurgy. Okay, in numerical form or in theoretical part. Okay, so this part is also very important, and this question is basically from 2019 gate metallurgy paper. Okay, so the question is an arc welding is performed at 400 amperes 20 volt at transfer speed of 5 mm per second. If the heat transfer efficiency is 0.6, the energy input per unit length in joule per mm during the process is okay. So in every video I told you that uh, uh, mm, in gate metallurgy they will always play with the units only. Okay, so if you know the formula in your way in your units, so please try to see that in which unit they are asking about this question. Okay, so you need to do basically the unit conversion. Okay, so that is very important for gate metallurgy. The question is very easy, no doubt, but sometimes people do the mistakes in units. Okay, so that's why we need to take care about those things. So the given data for this question is 400 amperes is given, means current is given, that is 400 ampere. Okay, and at 20 volt means voltage is also given, that is 20 volt at the transverse speed of 5 mm per second. Speed we can write like that, speed s is equals to 5 mm per second. So this is the speed value is given. If the heat transfer efficiency is given, means eta h is also given, that is 0.6. Okay, so the energy input per unit length we need to find. So we know for welding I already given one video on the welding numericals, so you can watch that video for better experience. So first of all, we will see the formula. So formula is Q is equals to VI. V is basically voltage, I is current. Okay, VI by speed. So this is the general formula. And suppose if they are talking about the efficiency, so this is for this is for 100%. And suppose if they are giving the value of efficiency, so we will multiply it by that efficiency value. Okay, so now what we will see about the units. Okay, so in question they are asking in joule per mm. So this V is volt and this I is ampere. Speed unit is mm per second. Okay, so this volt ampere will give us a unit of power, that is watt. So the unit is watt per mm into seconds, and this watt is basically what? Joule per seconds. Okay, so joule per seconds multiplied by mm into seconds. So this seconds will cancel, and this the unit will be joule per mm. Okay, so this is basically the heat input per unit length. So this formula is justified for this question. Okay, so this is what I told you, this is the unit conversion. So first of all, if you are getting confused in questions, please try to do like that. Okay, so for this unit basics of unit conversion must be good. Okay, so this is the formula which is applicable for this question, and this speed may be in mm per second or meter per second also, but this second is very important here because this second is getting cancelled with this second which is coming with this watt, from this watt. That's why we always take this speed as per seconds. Okay, so q value we need to find. Okay, so q is equals to v is given, V is 20 volt, and I is also given, that is 400, and speed is also given, that is 5, and eta h is given, that is 0.6. So from here we need not to change any unit. I already told you you will get answer in joule per mm only. Okay, so the answer for this question will be approximate 800, sorry, 8000 multiplied by zero point 0.6 by 5. So q will be equals to 960 joule per mm. Okay, so this question was very easy, but people do the mistakes here in unit conversion only. Okay, so you should be careful about these things. So the correct answer for this question is 960 joule per mm. Thank you guys for your attention. Hope you have understood this question and hope you have learned something new in this video. We'll come with more questions in our upcoming videos. Please try to put your problems on our Instagram page. We will solve those questions one by one. Thank you.